Hello bachcho, welcome to my channel Moonlit Heaven. Today we completed chapter Biotechnology and its application. Let's start. Biotechnology and its application focuses on three critical research areas. First, providing the best catalyst. This includes using microbes or pure enzymes to carry out biological processes efficiently. Second, creating optimal conditions. Through engineering, scientists maintain ideal temperature, pH, and nutrient supply for maximum productivity. Third, downstream processing. This step involves purification of the final product to make it safe and usable. Biotechnology also plays a major role in increasing food production. There are three main approaches. 1. Agrochemical-based agriculture. 2. Organic agriculture. 3. Genetically engineered crops, which is our main focus. In plant biotechnology, tissue culture is an important technique. An explant is the plant part used for culture. Totipotency is the ability of a single cell to develop into a complete plant. Micropropagation helps produce thousands of plants in a short time. The plants produced are called soma clones, which are genetically identical to the parent plant. Next topic, plant breeding or GMOs. Somatic hybridization. First, the cell walls of two different plant cells are digested using enzymes like cellulase and pectinase. This produces naked cells called protoplasts. These protoplasts are then fused together to form a somatic hybrid cell. Example, tomato jor potato equals pomato. Did it work? No, it lacked the desired combination of characteristics. Why make GMOs? Benefits. 1. Abiotic stress, tolerant to cold, drought, salt, and heat. 2. Chemical reliance, reduced use of pesticide. 3. Post-harvest, reduced losses. 4. Efficiency, increased mineral usage, prevents soil exhaustion. 5. Nutrition, enhanced value, golden rice, enriched with vitamin A. Next topic, BT cotton, pest resistance. Source, Bacillus thuringiensis, BT. In the bacteria, BT produces an inactive protoxin. When the insect eats it, the protoxin enters the insect gut. Because of the alkaline pH of the insect gut, the crystals get solubilized and the protoxin converts into an active toxin. This active toxin binds to the midgut epithelial cells of the insect and creates spores. As a result, swelling and lysis occur, leading to the death of the insect. The genes, crygenes, proteins are encoded by crygenes. Cryi-AC jor Cryi-AB controls cotton bollworms. Cryi-AB controls corn borer. Don't mix these up. Next topic, RNA interference, nematode resistance. Context, target, tobacco plant roots. Enemy, Meloidogyne incognita, nematode, defense, cellular defense. In all eukaryotic organisms, the strategy RNA interference is triggered by infection from viruses or transposons. In this process, sense RNA and antisense RNA come together to form dsRNA, double-stranded RNA. This dsRNA initiates NA. It leads to the silencing of specific mRNA. As a result, the parasite cannot survive. Next topic, biotech in medicine, genetically engineered insulin problem. Early insulin obtained from slaughtered cattle and pigs caused allergies. Before or after? In pro-insulin, there are chain A and chain B connected by a C-peptide. To form mature insulin, the C-peptide is removed. After removal, chain A and chain B remain linked by disulfide bridges, forming mature insulin. The solution, Eli Lilly, 1983. Prepare DNA sequences for A and B chains. Introduce these sequences into E. coli plasmids. Produce the A and B chains separately. Extract and combine them via disulfide bonds to form insulin. Next topic, gene therapy or molecular diagnosis. Gene therapy. First case in 1990, a 4-year-old girl with ADA deficiency. Step 1. Blood lymphocytes are extracted from the patient. Step 2. The lymphocytes are cultured in the laboratory. Step 3. Functional ADA cDNA is introduced into the lymphocytes using a retroviral vector. Step 4. The genetically modified lymphocytes are returned to the patient. Note: this is not a permanent cure because lymphocytes die. Permanent cure is possible only if gene therapy is done at early embryonic stages. Molecular diagnosis. 1. PCR, polymerase chain reaction, amplification technique used to detect HIV or cancer even at very low concentration. 2. ELISA, based on antigen-antibody interaction. Next topic, transgenic animals. 95% are mice. 1. Normal physiology, to study how genes are regulated. 2. Study of disease, models for cancer and cystic fibrosis. 3. Biological products, Rosie, 1997, first transgenic cow. Produced human protein-enriched milk, alpha-lactalbumin. Nutritionally balanced for babies. 4. Vaccine safety, tested on mice before humans, e.g., polio. Next topic, ethics or biopiracy. GEAC, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. 1. Validity of GM research. 2. Safety of GM organisms for public services. Biopiracy, use of bioresources by MNCs without authorization or payment. India has 200,000 rice varieties, 27 basmati. 1997, US company got patent on new basmati. Actually crossed with semi-dwarf varieties. Appropriated Indian traditional knowledge. Indian Parliament cleared Second Amendment of Indian Patents Bill to handle biopiracy. The end. Thank you for watching Folded Hands. Don't forget to like and subscribe bell.